Don't throw away this plastic bottle. Watch what we can make. Cut off the bottom, smooth the edges, attach a string to both sides. A handy multi-purpose container. Would you try this? Don't throw away that plastic bottle. Watch the flower pot. Cut off the bottom, shape the edges, and add some colorful decorations. Now it's a cute flower pot from a simple waste bottle. Don't throw away that bottle cap. Here's a clever way to reuse it. Attach the cap to the wall, turn it into a hook for your clothes. Now you have a handy clothes hanger. So simple. Don't throw away these bottle caps. Watch this clever DIY. Attach 2 bottle caps to a wooden stick, then nail the stick firmly to the wall. Now the 2 caps work as handy handles, perfect for hanging things. Turn an old bottle into a simple water dripper. Make a tiny hole and insert a cotton swab. Fill it with water, close it, and flip it over. And now, water drips slowly. Simple and clever. Don't throw away that plastic bottle. With a few simple parts, turn it into a cool toy. Put everything together and make it move. A fun toy made from an old bottle.